Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting off with this wooden blessed sign, word from Hobby Lobby. It's unfinished wood and I'm just taking this yellow paint. It's kind of like a mustard yellow. And I'm just going to paint the top of the blessed word. So I'm doing something a little bit different than I normally do. Today I am going to be making a wood round. So here is this wood round that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's really nice. It's probably about a 1/4 inch thick, but it's good quality, and it was only $13.99. But since it's in the spring shop items are 40% off. So here I am just placing the word on the round just to kind of get my placement, and I'm taping off the sections where I'm going to be doing the different color paintings. Excuse me, that's my dog. Hold on. But I was using the word as a guide to where to section off the different areas of paint, and I do see it was a little crooked, so I do go back and kind of I measure it, I fix it and measure it with my tape measure, but I didn't show that on camera. So I'm taking the top part and I am painting it. I give it a good couple of coats of this beautiful green. And then at the bottom, I will use a darker red color. And you'll have to forgive me, guys, because I threw the paint bottles away because they were at the end. And so I apologize. I do not have the names of it. But I think they were from Apple Barrel. This one here is the black chalk paint that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I love this stuff. But yeah, this is from the Dollar Tree. And so I go ahead and paint all those sections, and what I have now is some matte Mod Podge, and I'm just going to put a coat over the paint on the word, and I do also go over it on the wood round. I put a pretty good coat on there, trying to make it as even as possible. Now, what I didn't pay attention to when I was painting is I didn't realize that the green was a satin finish versus a matte finish of the black, even the yellow and the red. I like a matte finish better than any satin because I don't like the shine. So that's why I opted to go with this matte Mod Podge. But you can definitely use any kind of Mod Podge to cover. There's a spray that you can actually spray on and help seal it. And so this is just me doing a good coat, trying to get it as even as possible. Now I did put that on there, and I used, just for the video, I used hot glue sticks, but I did go back and use some better, some stronger glue. Sorry guys, some stronger glue, also with the hot glue. Now this ribbon, y'all, is so cute. Unfortunately, it was the last one left at Michael's, and it's only 3 yards. And I'm actually making this wood round for, it can be used for Juneteenth, which is something big that we celebrate here in Texas, if you're not from Texas. Or it could be for Black History Month. I mean, shoot, it could be all year round if you want it to. But that's what I'm creating this for. I should have said that a little sooner in the video. So I definitely use up all of this ribbon, and I'm just gonna put a little pipe cleaner around it and tie it on there really tight. And then I'm just going to staple it onto the wood round. So that's the good thing about this wood round. is it's a nice thick quality that you can actually use your um, staple gun to, and it's not really thick and heavy. So this is, to me, the perfect thing for a door wood round. So once I get all the tails clipped, dovetailed and stuff, here I'm just going to finagle a little bit of the bows and fluff it out, give the tails a good curve, and then here with my staple gun, you'll see what I'm doing is I just am folding up the rest of that pipe cleaner, and some of the extras I cut off, but I doubled and tripled it up a little bit. So when I staple it, I staple the pipe cleaner to the wood round, and it had something substantial to hold on to. And then I do staple one of the tails, as you see me do just now. And I just make sure it's all nice and steady. And then I will take some boxwood greenery that I got from Walmart, and then I will just glue some in on the bows here and there just to give it a little bit more texture and make it look nice. So for my glue, which if you're new here, my favorite hot glue to use is the Gorilla Glue. I've never had any problems with any of my projects falling apart due to the glue. So, but you can definitely also get a glue pot, a little glue skillet, and you can just put the hot glue in there and dip the tips of the greenery in there instead of having to do what I'm doing. I just have to set mine up. I've been procrastinating. I just need to do it. But we're getting to the end, and this is how it turns out. I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to incorporate more wood rounds into my projects. But thank you for watching. I hope you all have a very blessed week.